the relationship among topic sentences. All topic sentences themselves are related to one another, which have equal weight and are paralleled, much like sisters or brothers. In terms of content, they are equally important, with similar scope and nature or levels. In terms of sentence nature, they are all statement sentences, the same as thesis statements. In terms of concept level, there should be similar degree of broadness among themselves. The words for all statement sentences are concepts, names, and definition alike.